It's time for the Lightning Round Curtis for Rap. We're number 7. The stock I about buy, sell, just we're going to the Taurus stock. Every time I step first, going to go. You play this out. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski? That's over the lightning round. Everybody, I want to start with Carl in New Jersey. Carl.
Hey, Jim. Is SoundHey AI a buy or sell?
Okay, this is a meme stock, and they kind of get it going. I'm never going to get in the way of meme stock because you never know how high they can go. Let's go to Paul in Ohio. Paul.
Hey, another big Buckeye booyah to you, Jim Cramer.
I like that. Good booyah. What's going on?
Hey, I'm a club member, and I just wanted to thank you and your staff for everything you guys do.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Hey, I'm calling about Lam Research.
That stock is so cheap. Oh, I want to buy it. I want to buy. We have so much semi in the travel trust, but that stock is like the cheapest I've seen in a long time. I really like LRCX. Let's go to William in New Jersey. William.
Hey, Jim, long-time viewer. I have a question about a stock that's been on a nice run of late. It has a nice dividend. I'm talking about ETD. What you thought?
Oh, my God. It's my absolute favorite of the group. I think you just got to just stand there and buy it. It's cheap. It's got a good yield, and its business is fabulous. Thank you, Rusty Brazil, for pointing that one out for me a long time ago. I need to go to Joseph in North Carolina. Joseph.
Hey, booyah, Jim. How are you doing?
I am doing well. How about you?
Wonderful, wonderful. Congratulations on your Eagles. I'm rooting for them all the way.
Well, we got to hope. We got to hope. We got to stop Jaden. If we stop Jaden, we win. It's just that simple. What's going on?
Yes, sir. Well, I'm a second-time caller, long-time listener. I talked to you about a year and a half ago when I told you that I had sold my NVIDIA and made about $300,000 on it.
Yes!
Yeah, I love NVIDIA. I turned around and I invested that money in a company called CrowdStrike, which I know you're familiar with.
Yo, and that one's going higher. We're going to anniversary the July outage, don't forget, and then it's going to fly. Okay.
Yeah, I know. That's the thing. And I implored one of your principals. You know, I had 2,500 shares of CrowdStrike, and I waited for earnings out in May and sold 1,500 shares at $382. Right. And then, of course, the debacle happened in July, and I wound up selling
double down on that one. So what's one that we can work on right now?
Well, I've started reacquiring NVIDIA, and that's my question for you. So I love NVIDIA. I'm back to 2,900 shares. But while I was researching NVIDIA a couple of weeks ago, a company came across to me that was very interesting. I noted that NVIDIA had taken an investment in it. It's got a balance sheet of $3 billion, low debt to equity of less than 5%, less than $10 billion market cap. Short shares are less than 3%, and it's on NVIDIA's preferred partner list. Innovative AI company, multifaceted, and it's a company called Nebius, ticker symbol NBIS. What do you?
Nebius? I don't know Nebius. I've never heard of it. That's terrible. I should have heard of it. Well, you know what? I'd rather just own the fact that I don't know it. That's what I'm going to do. I have to do the homework. Let's go to Rich in New York. Rich.
Hey, Jim. Heads off to you and your staff.
Oh, they're the best, aren't they? They're amazing. What's going on?
Hey, and go Bills.
Oh, yes, geez, absolutely. We just have to stop Jaden. Get tired of saying that. I had Jaden Daniels. I had a guy here who's going to come to the game with me. He's threatening to wear burgundy. And I told him I'm going to pour a bottle of burgundy over his head. He does that. What's going on?
Well, Jim, hey, this stock's been a loser since we bought it back in June at 139. It's now around 121. Most analysts are bullish on it. Piper Sandler has a price target of 193. The average price target is 173. Profit margin of 47.6% and a dividend. What's your thoughts on CHRD?
No, I'm not an oil guy here. I mean, you know that in the club, we know we're selling our Cotara. Now it's hit 30. We think it can go still higher, but we don't want to add. Jeff Marks and I talked to the club today. We're not adding any more oils. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Coming up, is The Apprentice Oligarch Edition already at risk of being canceled? Cramer talks the billionaire battle heating up on Pennsylvania Avenue. Next.
Booyah, Jim. Your integrity makes you the booyah saint of Wall Street. Booyah, Jimmy Chill.
Booyah, Jimmy Chill.
Booyah, Jim.
Quadruple. That's a lot of booyahs.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.